Morning guys, today's Sunday, it is New Year's Eve today, so Happy New Year to you all. For in the next few hours, the kids are just doing a little science experiment thing, aren't you? What are you doing first, kids?
So,
got
we're
their
just
goggles
doing
on.
like the skeleton.
Oh,
So this
wow.
goes over
Oops.
here.
Oh, that looks really good.
So we've just got like bone pieces
Oh, wow.
and things that we.
Oh, and you have to put it in the right place, do you?
Yeah.
Wow, that looks awesome. Yeah, the kids here got this from my friend, bought this for her. It's a little science lab thing. She loves science. So they've got all these different experiments and things to do. So they've got goggles on, which looks good, doesn't it, kids? So you're going to do the volcano one, I think, next. Tia's got a few other little science kits as well, so we've got all the goggles from. She's got this glow-in-the-dark science thing. And then she's got this sparkle science, and it's got that lamp in there. She's had this one since last year, but we've got this out because we haven't done this lantern, the lamp. We saw the advert for it on telly the other week, didn't we, Tia? And I said, oh my god, you've still got that. We never ever actually done the lamp. So they've got their goggles on, and you're going to be little Einsteins today. So yeah, I'm just going to get on and do a bit of din-dins. I will see you soon.
Hi guys. So now what we're going to do is we're going to be making an erupting volcano. So it's going to erupt on this cardboard thing.
Is it going to erupt in the whole house, is it?
It's gonna go like.
What does a volcano do, Leon?
It does go like this.
What is it? It's not going to be... What's the stuff inside it called? What is it, Leon?
Lava.
Is it lava? I'm not going to have lava in my kitchen, am I?
It's gonna go like this.
Oh, well, right, Leon, so don't touch it. Stand back.
It's gonna go like baking soda.
Uh-huh.
So it's going to be like.
It's nothing dangerous, basically. It's all just natural ingredients. And it'll probably be vinegar as well, is it?
Yeah. So there's baking soda, red food, red colouring, and then some vinegar.
Yeah. Okay, so let's set up station. Right, so what we're doing now, you're doing the dough to make. Show Mummy what you're making.
So we're going to be making
The skeleton.
moulding skull, and then also an eyeball.
So you've got the moulds here, and then you're going to mould with them, yeah? Because we was going to do the volcano, I just realised we haven't got vinegar. So we have to do that tomorrow, have to get vinegar tomorrow. Yeah? So we're going to do this one now. So you don't, oh, careful you don't let go of that, Leon. You can take the goggles off now because it's dough, you don't need it on. That's it.
Yeah.
So let's open your dough then. So you've got your action station set up. So let me see what Leon's doing.
So
Shoving it all in. Just being little scientists today, doing your little things, aren't you?
Yeah. So
well done.
So there's green dough, there's white dough, then there's red dough.
Yeah. You're looking at the box there. Do you want me to put the box there for you so you can see it? Yeah, so then that can give you the ideas, because there's the eyeball there. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But green.
It's green, yeah. It says blue on there, doesn't it? Maybe they mean you have to do a green eyeball in this one. Maybe they want you to do a green one and not a blue one. Yeah? I think that's what they mean. Yes, anyway, you two do that. Get creative. What are you doing? Just keeping you two nice and quiet this morning. Keeping you occupied, isn't it?
I make I like me.
Oh, you're making the eyeball on there, yes. Can I see it? On there, yes, just there. Well done. Yeah, you're doing that, aren't you? Oops. It looks really good. Well done. And Tia's doing the brain, aren't you, darling? Yeah? You're doing the brain?
No, Mum just like...
Oh, you're just reading through. Tia's just reading through all the experiments. Well done, kids. Well done. Hi guys, so it's chucking it down with rain, so we're staying indoors today, which is quite nice. Kids are just playing with their little Christmas presents that they've got, so they're doing some science experiments and dough stuff. We're going to have dinner shortly, and then they're going to play with some moon sand and moon dough, I think it is. It's just like a kinetic sand or something, so it doesn't get too messy. So they'll do that after. Leon looks like he's making a little bracelet there. That was clever, Leon, wasn't it? Made a little hole in his dough. So yeah, they're just doing that whilst I prepare dinner. So yeah, we will see you soon. Okay, just wash your hands now. This is my son. You'll just start dishing dinner. He's always asking what's for pudding. What's for pudding? You've got cheesecake and some ice cream. I'm just leaving it out. Look. You've got ice cream for after. You always dish dinner and he'll say, "What's for pudding?" Right, go and sit down. Yeah, you know, the best bit of the day is the pudding, like Leon said. Always ask for the pudding first, he does. I knew he was going to say that. But yeah, we've eaten dinner, pudding time now. So yeah, my favourite bit of the day. Woohoo! Had to show this in. This is what Tia got for Christmas, her Chima stuff. She's been busy making these and she finished this one off this morning, which was really good, isn't it, Leon? Oops, don't break it, mummy. That's it, and then you made that other one too. You've done really well. Rubber crawls. What are you doing? Oh, careful. Oh, blimey. Oh, mind your head.
I didn't hurt my
Right, we want to find sand. You wanted sand, don't you?
I didn't hurt my head, but I went,
yeah, thank goodness, mister. Oh, it's very dark up here. Right, let's find this sand, shall we? Sand's in your room, Leon. It's in your room. Let me find it.
Hi guys, Mummy is getting sand up today.
Yeah, Mummy getting the sand out. Just trying to find it. Here it is. This was it, wasn't it? Oh, you mixed all the colours together. I remember now. Found it. Oh God. Yeah, found the sand. Well, you've got sand or you've got Play-Doh. What do you want? Or should we get both of them? Should we get both of them out, yeah? Anyway, I found the sand. Careful, oh, it's going to fall. That's it, you've got this sand. It's quick sand, isn't it?
Sand art.
You want sand art? Oh, he wants the sand art as well. Yep, on my way. Did you find it?
Yeah, whoa.
Is that sand art?
Yeah.
Okay, then Mummy get there.
Art is there.
Is that sand art?
Yeah.
Oh, that's moon sand. Yeah, this one's moon sand. Right, mind your little feet, mind your legs. That one's moon sand. We play with sand art. Oh my God, there's so much. This is the kids' stuff under here. This is Tia's stuff. They've got every blooming toy under here, haven't you, in history? Sand art, there's sand art. There's that one. Shove that under there. Sorry, Tia. Right, so we've got sand art. We have moon sand. Is that all right in there? That's got all the accessories. Yeah, that's cool. And then we've got quicksand. So we'll play a sandy game today, yeah? So let Mummy carry that down. You hold this for Mummy then, please. Let's put things here. You film yourself. Hold on.
Hi,
Better?
guys, and you'll walk down the stairs.
I'm going to go down the stairs, yeah?
Hi guys, my Mummy is gonna go down the stairs, not out me.
Not without you. No, we've got to put Tia's Diary of a Wimpy Kids books away because you got them all out, didn't you? And say to everybody, Happy New Year.
But I mashed this bit up and my eyes walked all over the bed.
Yeah, and you found it.
I was trying to go under that bed and
You
Go.
did,
Oh,
yeah.
oh,
So come on
yeah.
then, come and say Happy New Year.
Friend Santa.
Say Happy New Year, everybody. Yeah, everyone have a good Happy New Year tonight and stay safe if you're going out. Wrap up warm as well because it's blooming cold out there. We will be staying in tonight, obviously, because we've got the children. We do every year, but we put the kids to bed early and then normally wake Tia up about 10 minutes before to say, oh careful Leon, to say Happy New Year. Let Mummy do that. But then last year Leon woke up because he heard us and he came down the stairs saying Happy New Year, and we run outside and go and watch the fireworks. So yeah, obviously a lot of mummies and daddies will be indoors tonight anyway. So yeah, it's perfect for us. So we're going to play quicksand and watch a movie as well.
You take.
Alright, Mummy do it.
And I take.
No, you can take the towel. You can take the towel down for Mummy. Or you take that one because that one won't spill. He's trying to carry the heaviest box, look. Yeah, but if we trip, we're going to hurt ourselves. Yeah? So you take the little box.
No, I
He
can.
thinks he's a strong boy. Okay. Anyway, let's get this downstairs.
Hi guys, Happy New Year's Eve. So right now we're just going to now play with like our moons and kinetic and things, and then like some sand art thing. So that's what we're going to be doing now. Okay, bye. Say bye. Bye.
Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
So Tia's just woken up. It's only about 9:30, 10, isn't it? I put the kids to bed early today, so she's had a little bit of a sleep. We've just ordered a Chinese. So we've got some Chinese food. So me, Daddy and Tia, we're going to have a nice Chinese. You can hear the fireworks.
Fireworks already.
Yeah, so you'll be here with us. What's the time? It's nearly 10 o'clock now, isn't it?
It's like 10:05.
It's 10:05. So we're going to have a Chinese and we're watching a movie, and then we're going to count down to the new year. We've left Leon in bed, obviously. But he'll probably hear the fireworks. They're quite loud already out there. Already they are.
Yeah, so,
but at 12 it goes mad, doesn't it?
And at 12 is when Leon will come
He
down
normally
and
wakes
start
up.
saying Happy New Year like what he did last year.
That's it. So yeah, guys, we're just going to have our Chinese, and then we are going to watch the fireworks. So Happy New Year to you all.
Happy New Year!
Let's eat. Hi guys, so we've just finished our Chinese, which was lovely, and Tia's just gone back up to bed, and she wants us to wake her 10 minutes before 12 o'clock to see the fireworks. So that'll be good fun. There's been a lot of fireworks going off already. We're just sitting down watching a movie at the minute. So it's 25 to 12 now, so not long till New Year. Hi guys, so it's 10 minutes to midnight. Daddy's just brought Tia down. Come here, sweet. You alright? You okay?
Yeah.
She wanted to come and see the new year in with us. Yeah. Leon, you can hear the fireworks. Say hi guys. Yeah. We just sit here and watch the what is it? It's the news, isn't it? And just watch the fireworks. And we actually do the countdown every year. But every year we've always sort of woken Tia up like 5 minutes to 12 just to come and see in the new year.
Look at that firework right there.
And last year Leon heard us, didn't he? So he came down. So I'm not waking him up, but if he does wake up and come down the stairs, then he does.
That's it.
He will wake up because the fireworks are so loud here. So yeah, you want to say something, Daddy?
Yep.
Oh, sorry.
Happy New Year, guys. If you do go out tonight, don't get drunk. Drive home safely, okay? Alright? This is 2018, right?
Not yet.
It's 2008,
Not yet,
just
in 10
5.
minutes.
Is it 10 minutes?
10 minutes.
10 more minutes, guys, alright?
What?
Okay, just 10 more minutes, Tia said. Yeah? Okay. And Happy New Year in 2018, guys. Yeah? This is a wonderful year, and I hope you are a happy and prosperous new year from Jamila Brasco family. Subscribe, guys. Love you all. and we'll call you guys back when the fireworks start, right?
When as soon as Leon hears your voice, he's gonna wake up. Let's got
Yeah.
bed hair. You're right there, love, like a little kitty cat. Yes, so we're gonna watch the news. I can hear fireworks
Yeah.
already. But every time I open the curtain to look out, they've always gone. So.
I know.
Did you want to get your shoes ready? Yeah?
Yeah.
Just go get your shoes. We get our shoes ready because we just run outside to sort of outside, and we watch the fireworks from there. Before we used to watch them on the telly in our old flat. We used to watch them on the telly. Do you remember? And then I'd look out the window and go, oh yeah, we can see that colour. Oh, we can see that one. We can see that one. Do you remember? So yeah, it's fun. Leon will be down in a minute.
Yeah.
I'll be surprised if he doesn't come down. Anyway, so yeah, guys, we'll see you next at the fireworks.
Fireworks!
We're all wide awake now. What you just done again, that was...
Okay, let's get this party started!
And then Daddy said, no, it's not that kind of party. Sorry, I just thought that was funny.
Binge drinking.
I'm just waiting for the bloody fireworks to start. They're taking ages.
We've still got like 7 more minutes.
What you got in your hand, Tia? You got your little party popper.
poppers.
Let's go do fireworks.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
All right.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
What the heck?
Happy New Year!
Wow.
That is beautiful.
Is he still in bed? Wow. Thank you.
Wow. That is beautiful. I swear.
Oh, can you see it, Tia?
Awesome!
Whoa. Wow.
It's still going on over there, isn't it?
Yeah, of course.
He is like
Oh,
a
we will-
whoa.
Yeah.
Nah. Look at that.
Whoa, that's a big firework.
He's actually from the park.
I know.
I know. Turns out the kids. Awesome.
Oh, sorry. Happy New Year.
That is crazy.
Yeah, look at how many fireworks there are still going.
So Happy New Year, guys. 2018.
Happy New
We're
Year!
watching the fireworks. We would have gone down to the docks, but it gets too cold. Leon's still asleep. Oh, there's more up here.
Happy New Year!
Whoa!
Well, that's a big loud one.
Oh, yeah.
Hi guys, so cool, that's really powerful, that one's, wow, out the window. I keep coming indoors because Leon's still in bed. Oh wow, oops. Oh, they're nice. Oh, lovely. Right near the window. Yeah, I keep coming in because Leon didn't wake up in all of that. You see how loud it is because we live right near it. It just is lovely, but yeah, Leon's still asleep. Bless him. Yeah, he's still asleep. So yeah, I'm just in and out. Oh, you've just woken up. He's just woken. Darling, come here. Careful of the stairs. Hold on. Did you just wake up?
Yeah.
It's all the firework noise. Oh, come and say Happy New Year. He just woke up, baby. Just coming down the stairs. Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Oh, he's probably really tired. Let me turn this off. Yeah, so Leon's just woken up, bless him, so he can sit indoors and just watch the fireworks from the window for a little bit.
Did you
Did that make you jump?
They've actually set.
It was an orange one, was it?
They were
Let me
actually
get under
setting
there.
off them fireworks
Oh, look up there,
over
darling. Leon, green, yeah, green. I was surprised that you were still sleeping. They were so noisy, aren't they?
Yeah.
It's all calmed down now.
Oh, Leon, watch the one on TV.
You can see the ones on TV.
Yeah.
We didn't want to
Yeah.
wake you, babe. I know you. Look, they're over there, darling. Can you see more?
Yeah.
Can you?
Wait, I'm going to go up to
Happy
my
New Year!
bedroom to get a better view.
Oh, Tia's going up to her room because her room's higher up. She can get a bit better view. Can you see there, Leon? Can you? Look this side. Look here. Just do.
It's a
Boom! It did, didn't it? Every time I put the camera on, they stop. There they are. Let me hold you.
over.
I can see them. I just saw them. I did.
And did you see?
Oh, I can see that one went really high up the sky, didn't it? That one.
Yeah. And one and the
Happy New
tower
Year, Mama!
went red.
Happy New Year!
Right, sit down, darling. That's it.
Oh!
I saw it. So does Leon do his party popper? We saved that one for you. Leon, do it. You have to try and pull it really hard. Tia will help you.
Ready?
Ready?
Happy New Year!
There you go. So yeah, Leon woke up at
fire.
the end. He
Happy
actually
New
woke up,
Year!
which I'm not surprised with all the noise. The fireworks are so loud anyway. He done the same last year. So it's good. We're all together. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! Nice one, nice one.
Yeah.
No problem.
Did you? And they've got balloons. You got your balloons. We're having a balloon party.
Okay, let's get this party started!
It's gone behind the telly.
I know. Don't
Whose
worry, I
face?
can get it.
Can you get it?
Got it.
There you go. Happy New Year, everyone. Thank you for joining us.
Happy New
And
Year!
Happy New Year 2018.
Yeah.
Okay,
Now
you got it, yeah?
Good. Why?
I did see it. Yeah, it hit the chandelier. Oops. Oops. It's gone behind the telly again.